Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at CashApp, a popular mobile payment service that makes it super easy to send, spend, and invest money, all from one app. Whether you're splitting the bill or buying stocks, CashApp has a lot to offer. Let's dive in. 1. What is CashApp? CashApp is a mobile payment platform launched by Square Incorporated in 2013. It's a user-friendly app that allows you to send and receive money instantly with just a few taps on your phone. But it's more than just a peer-to-peer payment service. CashApp has grown into a versatile financial tool that lets you manage your money, make purchases, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin, all within one app. 2. Sending and receiving money. One of CashApp's most popular features is the ability to send and receive money quickly. Whether you're paying a friend for dinner or splitting rent with your roommate, you can send money instantly by entering their username, email, or phone number. You can even create a personalized $cash tag to make it easier for others to find you. The best part? There are no fees for personal transactions, making it a go-to option for simple, everyday transfers. 3. Cash Card and Boosts. CashApp also offers a free debit card, known as the Cash Card, which links directly to your CashApp balance. You can use it to make purchases online and in stores wherever Visa is accepted. One unique feature is Cash Boosts, which give you instant discounts at select merchants like coffee shops, restaurants, and even grocery stores. With just a tap, you can activate these boosts and save money on everyday purchases. 4. Investing in stocks and Bitcoin. CashApp isn't just for payments, it's also an easy-to-use platform for investing. You can buy fractional shares of stocks with as little as $1, making it accessible for new investors who want to dip their toes into the market. CashApp also allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin, giving users a simple entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. It's perfect for those looking to diversify their financial portfolio without leaving the app. 5. CashApp for direct deposits and taxes. Another handy feature is CashApp's ability to handle direct deposits. You can have your paycheck deposited directly into your CashApp account, and even get access to your funds up to 2 days earlier than with traditional banks. CashApp also introduced a tax filing service called CashApp Taxes, allowing users to file their taxes for free directly through the app, making it a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. And that's CashApp in a nutshell. Whether you're managing everyday payments, investing in stocks or Bitcoin, or getting your paycheck early, CashApp offers a simple and efficient way to handle your finances. If you haven't tried it yet, it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips.